Hello, viewers. This is a good Saturday morning. I have a bright person who cleared PMP recently. Shivani is in front of me, and she's written a big post in LinkedIn telling about the whole story of how she dreamed about getting the certificate, how she's going to announce this once she cleared. It's a big thing she had. Today is the day, right? 19th of August, she cleared. So congratulations, Shivani, for this wonderful achievement.
Thank you, Shriram. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Great. So we were just talking about how things are, and we were just talking about the post exam. She was just telling that even after the day of exam, the night of the exam, I mean, after the exam completed, she couldn't sleep and questions were running. Okay, we call it as a PMP jet lag.
Yes.
Jet lag was there for 2 days or 3 days, and she was running around. You know, one thing, Shivani, usually after the exam, people find 24 hours is so long. A lot of time is there.
Yes.
The same person 1 year before would have said, I don't have time, I'm very busy. And
Busy.
now this
Yes.
person says, I have 3-4 hours free with me. What to do? Do I need to read the topic?
Yes.
What I can do? Give me some more work.
Some more work. Exactly. Exactly. Even in last week, I'm finding something like what I need to do. I have so much time. What I need to do now.
That's good. That's good. Really good achievement. And many of them, what they do is they start continuing the learning process. This PMP opens a
Yes.
door that you are capable, and it gives an opportunity to think about your own skills. How can we upgrade? So happy you're going to do that. So okay, all good, and I'm so happy for your success. Let's listen something from you. Give some background about yourself.
Yeah. So I'm staying in Bangalore itself, and I'm working in a Wells Fargo as a PMO. And here, the PMP thing, if you can ask me, then it was always in my mind, Shriram, when I was joined my first job as a PMO. So always I wanted to know how management are, thinking and how management are handling the things.
Hmm.
And I was really curious about, because certain things but certain things you don't know, even you don't get anything, how where I will find those things. So this kind of thing happens. So no, I was always ready, I have to do the PMP. That is clear in my mind. Okay. But yeah, this is the right time. In August, I think in Fab, actually, in on Fab I have done the certification of Scrum Master. After that, okay, I have to do PMP now, because now you got some trigger,
Yeah.
and you started reading and everything, because after MBA I'm not reading any, I was not reading any book or something like that related to the certification or something else. So
Right.
now, so after CSN I got the ticket, then I started finding something related to the PMP. Then I got to know, okay, you need 36 hours PDU. And after that, I joined some institute, but there I didn't find, my dot, I was not able to correcting the dots. Okay,
Hmm.
then I completed on March. I've completed that training, and after that, I started reading the book PMBOK.
Hmm.
Okay, so but I was not able to correct all those things. Okay, I'm reading resource management, I'm reading stakeholder, I'm reading this and that, but I was not able to correct what ITTUs, what is this, I don't know. Then I found these, I was searching something in the YouTube. Okay, then I okay, I got some success story. Then I thought, okay, I hope this will help me out for my journey, how I will take the things ahead. So yeah, so I found some success story. Then I searched it in YouTube itself. Okay, Shinam also have taught something in related to the lessons, let me go through it. So I go through it, then I found, I think this is the right person for the PFP who will guide me. Then in that moment itself, I think I contacted you on the LinkedIn, right?
Right.
Then yeah, so the journey started. I contacted you and you said, okay ma'am, I will definitely, we will help you, whatever your guidance you needed. So because I was telling you that time, Shriram, I'm not able to dot any, connecting the dot, I'm missing somewhere. I'm reading the book, just reading the book, I don't know how the things are related, right? How the 10 knowledge area is related to, each other. So
Right.
this is the, yeah. So I think on May last, I joined your classes, and
Good.
then I started my journey with you.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah. So this
Very good.
is,
Nice to know. First thing, I'm interested to know that doing a PMO role, you have that passion to go furthermore, because some of the PMOs, what they do is they feel this job is settled. I know I'm handling between managers, handling between program managers. I'm fine. See, PMO role look like a flashy role, but won't be growth there. Okay, sometime it will get olded up. But when you learn management more deep, you can move to the leadership line,
leadership.
right?
Yes, yes.
That's a good
Because
thing.
the decision, wholesale decision is to be manager. We are just a supporting role, right? Budgeting, everything we are doing, but the decision is for manager only. Even we are
Right.
suggesting ki this thing we can do that, but the decision is after all that leadership team. So
Exactly.
that's why I thought, yeah, this is the right time to do the
Very,
right thing.
very good. Very good.
Yeah.
And again, I'm so happy that you are able to catch up the sessions and learn the subject. One thing I found with you is very consistent. I know you have packed office and family stuff.
Yes,
I never
yes.
seen you missing the classes or taking the test or going
Even
forward.
you know what, Shira, in your I think second week classes, I got my first dose of vaccination. I
Oh.
was not able to see, but still the thing is energy came, 6 o'clock came, came back and got on the bed, and no, I have to join the classes. I don't want to miss the class. No, I can't take the risk.
Nice. It's a PMP fever.
Yes.
Nice to know. Nice to know. Good,
No,
good.
I was in a 5 fever, Shira, 102, and I was not able to
Means
see
we were in
the
a
screen.
fever.
It's still, no, I don't want to miss the classes. But
Oh,
yeah, I joined the classes. Yes.
okay.
And,
Admire.
and fever and all, I forget everything during the class. Only the thing, okay, I'm listening, Shira only.
Good to see that. Good to know that. Thanks for that trust and efforts. Now tell us something about your preparation model. I know you read PMBOK 6, you were listening to the classes.
I made
May,
a notes.
yeah, May, if you start, it is up to June, classes would have gone, right?
Yes.
Um, you see, many people think that PMP means you have to prepare for 6 months or 3 months to clear it.
Not like that,
That is
yeah.
a short time. So, what's the way you want to see? People also should know that you are a PMO, busy role in corporate. You are in Wells Fargo, bigger company. You have a family. You have to take care of that. Now, how do you find time? How do you manage yours?
So yeah, so I've started reading in the month of April itself. Then in mid of April, I think I contacted you, and after 15 days, I joined the classes.
Okay.
So that time, I think I have, I think I've, fully, not fully. I think 5 or 6 chapter I've completed, but I was not able to join the connect the dots. So
Mhm.
after that, after joining your classes, I after I think on the month of June, yeah, on the
Good.
4th week I completed the PMBOK
Very,
fully.
very good.
fully
So
okay,
tell me,
then
before you go furthermore, PMBOK, there is a conversation people tell that language is pretty tough, hard to
I
understand.
didn't find like that, Shriram. It's pretty easy. If you are going deep, then it's pretty easy. I didn't find any, something, the things like cohesion and something related to that. Then I'm going to Google. Otherwise, I find, it's pretty easy. If you are, you are able to connect the dot, then it's easy for you. And slowly, the first month you will not able to connect all those things, but slowly you will, when you will go in the second chapter, third chapter, then you
Right.
are able to connecting the dots. That's easy.
Makes sense. Yeah, please go ahead. Mhm.
And after completed the book, I have I started question like from Sri learning,
Mhm.
and like daily basis I have to do some exercises like in on leadership board or
Right.
short questions are there, right? 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So I've started because daily basis I have to know I want some 75% in 15 minutes. I want that. So daily I've started reading completed. Then after I've given the mock, 15 minutes mock. And then I've attended your all Saturday and Sunday that mock
Right.
test.
Okay.
And then take questions whatever Rahul is posting on the or WhatsApp chat. So I've attended all those questions. I'm I was maintaining register and all for those all the things. Okay, I don't know this thing, then I note it down, and I'll because few things I don't find in the Pimbok or Rita.
Right.
So I was to going to the Google, what is that, like motherboard or something, some new things, right? Because something we definitely in 10 question you will find definitely something new.
Concepts.
Yeah. So those things. So I'm also messaging you. What is this? I don't know. So you also helping me. And so this is, and then I have few things in Rita, like resource management. I found like few things are not available in Pimbok, Shriram. So I've read something like some topics from the Rita as well, because that is pretty short and like chunk you will get it.
Yeah. Rita, sometimes the way explanation looks very lengthy
Yes,
language.
yes.
Okay, nice.
So
About
I, yeah,
gratefully, you took weekly test, you took full exams. How many full exams you tried?
full exams, 4 or 5 from Sri Learning
Nice.
and 2 from study hall.
Very good, very good. Study hall is the craziest exam, right? The language.
Yeah.
So,
I
what did
got
you-
60 and I was, no, Shriram, this is not the goodest score. I am not prepared, I think. That time you said, no, Shivani, this is a good, I first time though, what is this? 60% only. Oh my God, no. I am not prepared yet. I have to learn some more things. I think
Right,
I have to take some more time.
right.
Okay, so but you said no, Shivani, this is a good score. Go ahead, don't worry, you will clear. I know.
Yeah, this
So
study hall is a little slightly peculiar. The reason
yes,
is some of the questions are still to mature. They are having some mistakes.
yes,
Also,
yes,
the
yes.
language is sometimes slightly difficult for
Difficult. Yes.
understand, which is not 100% main exam. Main exam also has some question like that,
Sub-
but not all.
all. Yes.
That's how it is. But
Even in study hall, Shriram, there is 15 some mini questions exam is there. So I
right.
have attended those all, so that you can relate the things when
Mhm.
you will do the full mock. Then you will got to know, like, yeah, this is related to that.
Right.
He's is asking in that context, so you will get it. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. I think you went very systematic. Your approach was good. Last 10 days was crucial for you, I believe. You were able to give good attention. Tell me, how do you manage office? Would you take a couple of days off from your work to push it?
Yes, Shiram. I took 5 days off from my office, because with the office and everything, you
Mm.
can't focus on your thing. And I don't want to I don't want any distractions, because so
Right.
if you are working, then you will definitely will get the call escalations and everything. So you will your concentration will not be perfect. So that's why I took 5 days leave from my office, and my manager knows, like, she's going for the PMP exam. Yes, I
Very good.
clearly
Good,
said
right?
it. So I need because I need some time for the preparation.
Mm.
So yeah, I took leave. And on those days, I have attended only the mock test. So
Uh,
first mock test from this study hall. Then after the she learning, you only guided me to go like in this manner. Then after that, the full mock test from study hall. So 3 tests I have attempted before my exams, and before that I was attended around 3 4 from she learning.
Hmm. Very good, very good. Nice, good. So preparation, reading is good. Consistency was there, and you took some full exams. You are in a stable mind, but still, till the last day of the exam, we are not sure we are ready, right? That.
Yes, even the moment when you are going to submit your questions, that time also, oh my God, what happened, what will happen, should I have to click this button or I have to step back?
That's there for many people. So let's talk about the exam now. So you went for center or
Yes.
online?
I went for center.
Center. Why you went for center? You have a good computer.
I don't want anyone want to staring at me for the
4 hours.
4 hours. Yes.
I know it's not
Because
a,
that is a distraction for me, Shriram. If
not only,
someone had, in my school days also, if someone had looking at me, no, I was like, no, I don't know anything. What is written over here? I don't know.
see, in school days when you write the exam, the
Yes.
teacher,
If someone wants to cheat your sheet, no, that time also I'm not like able to do the things.
yeah, I know there's a discomfort. Even one other person said that when you do online exam, a small camera icon comes out, which
Yes.
shows your own picture. See, for me as a coach, I'm used with my seeing my video regularly.
Yes. Yes.
Even
Yes.
now in this interview, you will be distracted by your own video.
Yes.
You will always see yourself, am I looking
We
good?
are human beings, Shriram. We can't do anything. We have to see always ourselves.
Seriously. See, for me, it's used for a long time. I've seen my camera many times. I don't bother about it. That person said that last video, success story, a small video comes out about your own face there. So whenever you see your face, you don't read the question. You see yourself.
Yeah, that happens. Yes, yes.
So online, there are some difficulty, but some comfort also there. If you don't want to travel, then
Yes.
okay. Tell about in center. I know you have to wear the mask one, and they'll ask you to deposit all your
Yes.
belongings,
Belongings.
ornaments
Yes.
to a locker. Right?
Locker. Yeah, yeah. They have given me a locker. In that it will item, I asked them where I should keep those items. So they said, no, you can take it out because it will be a problem when you will come for a break. So you can take it out from cupboard itself. Okay. They have given you the key. And then after that, they have given some instruction. First of all, they have done screening and they took my photograph. After that, the lady who took my photograph and everything, she have checked all my pockets and everything, and she have given me the locker, that key, and one letter pad and the markers, and then she's got you to your system.
You have to read something and put a signature, right? You agree with the terms of that exam model?
No, Shriram, on the screen when I was sitting on for the exam, so that time I some small, that some questions were there. You have to give the declaration. So I have done that.
Yeah, declaration was
Even after clearing your PMP, they have given some survey. You have to do it.
right. So this is all systemized now. No signature needed.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, fine. So locker key is done. Validation is done. ID check would be of any government photo ID. They will check.
Yes. If you are from outside, you are coming, so then PCR report is required.
Oh, they asked for that. Okay.
Yes.
But how do they know you are coming from outside?
They were asking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. But you have to wear that particular mask which they recommend.
All the time. Yeah. Even if you are going for the washroom, that time also they are giving you some batch. Okay, you have to carry with you, and then go to the washroom, then give it back to them, and then you can have some refreshment like something. Or after that, you can again, they will check you, and then you can go to the exam.
They'll be scared. What if you change a person? If you don't give the ID card, a cloning of a
Yes.
Shivani will be other side.
Yeah.
Possibly. Okay, let's go to the exam now. So exam, I believe they give a good ambience, right? Good place should be there. Computer.
Yes.
headset.
Everything was there. Yeah. Pin drop salad.
Yeah, that's very important, right?
Yes.
See, one good
Because
thing.
other people are also giving some exams, something related to GMAT and everything. So they were giving some, yes.
But thankfully, you didn't get any college student next to you. They'll start typing. In GRE,
Yeah.
type a lot.
No one like that. Yeah.
You are safe. If not, somebody next to you keep
Yes. That also a distraction for you. And sometimes, yeah, he's started giving question. I'm still I only the reading thing. What is happening? How I will manage the time? Because in the person who is next to you, he was giving something like tak tak tak, some awaaz will get up, and you will thought, okay, he started giving question and I'm still reading. What is going on?
He's writing another exam.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now tell. I know the PMP exam is there. The day has come. You waited for this for 3-4 months. Now the screen is in front of you. So did you start attacking immediately, or the exam started attacking you? Who attacked first?
First question, I was, because in a study hall you will some idea you will get it, like this kind of content will be there. Okay, so you will, yeah, I was not, no, I was not able to settle down in first question. I took time actually, more than 1 minute. Okay, but yeah, first question, it will be right or wrong, should I have to click the button and go to next, or I will take some more time. So this kind of thing happens. It I think this is normal only because the first question, and you have to go long way, 180 questions. So
Right.
yeah, so first 60 I took time, Chiram. So I decided like 90 minute I will take, in even in mock test. I have not, I was, the time was perfect, only 60 90 minutes, then 60 minutes, then 60. I
Ah,
was able to, complete my mock within a time. Okay, I got even 15-20 minutes to review my all the questions.
very good.
But in your real exam,
Yeah.
no, I took more time in my first 60 questions. Then
Uh-huh.
I took break. Okay.
Mm.
Then okay, the time is running. What should I do? In 10 minutes, I was thinking only those things. Then I, okay, let it be. I'll go through the exam next 60. And I went outside. Then I had some banana. It
Uh-huh.
That day I got to know banana is something,
Good
it will
for
give the energy and trigger
energy.
your mind. Yes.
Oh, is it? Okay, good. Nice.
So
Okay.
yeah, so after that I attempted another 60. So I was like, because time was running, and I was watching the watch, like the timing. So okay, the time is very less, how will I complete all those questions, because only 60 I've completed, and 60 and 60 some more question I have to do.
Mm.
So okay, then I was relaxed. Okay, I'll do it. But next 60, Shiram, that was not that much toughest I was found. Like first 60 was tough for me. And
So,
next 60 was,
all right.
was, yeah, I was able to, like choosing the answer aram se. There is no hurry.
Okay.
So I've completed that. After that, okay, the 49 minutes left. Then I took break. Again, I took break.
You
Okay.
mean the last 60 questions, you have
Yes,
only 49 minutes?
49 and 60 questions.
God.
you know I
Uh,
was like, what, Shivani, now what to do? I am not like, what, how will I manage the time? Because you need some time to read the questions as well,
yeah, yeah.
then the four answers. Okay, so so then I okay, I'll take the break. Okay, I don't want to go to, because maybe I will get some idea and I will able to manage all those things. Okay, so after that I took break, I had some juices. Then I came back again and sit, and she started that button. Again,
So
I 60 questions started.
the instructor, they come in and
Yeah,
started.
yeah, yeah, they only coming.
You
I
can't
was
stop.
not able to. Yeah, they were coming all the time with you.
Acha, acha, okay,
They
okay.
only started. If you want 10 full 10 minutes pick, then they are okay. If you don't want, you want to break the in between 8 minutes or 5 minutes, they are okay. But they will help you in that.
Mm.
You
Yeah,
have
but
to sit and
before
they
you
will.
proceed further, when you come to 60th question or 120th question, it automatically shows a pop-up
Yes,
that do you want to go for a break?
yes.
Okay, okay. You
Yes,
have to choose a button. Yes, I want to go for a break.
yes. You want to continue, or you want to break.
Right.
That's it. Those two options will be there. You
Okay,
have
great.
to choose. Yeah.
Great. Superb. Now let's go to the IPL last 5 hours. So,
That was really tough, Shira. I know my last 60 questions. So, then I made some strategy. How will I manage my time? Because 60 questions, 49 minutes.
mm, mm,
So, first 10-20 questions, I was reading like my 1 minute, or
crucial.
yeah, because in last 60, I can manage, I think, because the questions, because you are already settled down on those questions, so you know the language and everything, you can connect all those things. So after that, then the 30 questions and the time 33 minutes. My God, in questions, how will I complete all those questions? But I don't know, Shriram, what magic will happen. Seriously, I really don't know. I was like, oh God, please. That time I was thinking ki, how I will I'm not able to manage the time. And if I'll not complete all this question, how will I'll be assured that I will be passed. So
Right.
that's the thing.
Right.
So yes, I was just reading the questions and answering, started giving the answers. Okay, then in next 20 questions, then time was, not actually, not time was running very fast. And then you told me, if you have kind of this thing, you will face it, then you can read the last the line of the question and then start giving the answers. So that will work. But the thing is only ki, if you have you have attended lot of mock questions, no, then only you will able to make it.
Okay.
Yeah, because otherwise, Shriram, I was not able to complete all my questions. That is there. Because you have in last line, or it's okay, sometime only they what manager will do, but you have to know what he
Yeah,
wants to
yeah.
do. Yeah.
True.
So I was reading very fast. Okay, this is the thing. And I got some keyword from that, then I answered the question. So I completed, and you know what, 9 minutes I saved.
Wow.
I completed all this 60 in 49 minutes, and 9 minutes I saved.
So it means 40 minutes you took to last 60 questions.
Yes,
Ah,
yes,
your
yes, very
acceleration
fast.
is pretty good, huh? Speed is
Yes,
pretty good.
yes.
Nice. So you gave 9 minutes back to PMI. Have it.
No.
Ah,
In 1 minute, I thought, okay, I have to review all those
review.
my questions, or I will, should I have to submit all these questions? Two
Mm,
things, okay, and in only one moment.
mm,
And I thought, okay, Shivani, it's done, because whatever you have done, if you are confident, if you know everything, no, Shriram, it will happen. Like, definitely you will clear the exam. Then
right.
on that moment, I think 7 minute or 7 minute left, and I submit my questions. Then I was like, where is it? People are saying congratulations or something. I'm not able to find where is that. Because some messages with the congratulation note, they have some words are also written over there. So I was like, where is the congratulations?
The first word will be congratulations, right?
Yes, but on that moment, though, you can't able to see that.
It'll be a paragraph.
Yes,
Who want the paragraph, man? Tell me pass or fail.
pass or fail, only that's it. We don't want any appreciation, but it's okay.
I think that's a good emotional moment, right? When you clear it,
Yes,
you feel
yes.
excited.
And I was shivering, Shriram. I was like, my body temperature was cold. I was feeling cold. What happened? Then that time, because if you want any break, you have to raise your hand on the center. Okay, so they told me, if you have you want some break or something, you have to raise your hand. Then I
Mm.
said, she already, she was, they were watching you, so they already came to you, and ma'am, you have to fill the survey. Don't worry, you are passed. I'll give you the photocopy. Don't worry, you are passed. And
So
I
she
was not able to, what she's saying, I'm not able to hear what she's saying, what survey, what happened, I don't know.
that's so nice, so nice.
Yeah, yeah.
I think
So
that's a
I completed my survey, then I came out, and they have given me some photocopy,
printed paper they'll give to you.
printed paper, all because I see, I have decided, like, I want above target only.
Wow.
So
Okay.
yeah, so I in that the past thing was written over there, and then all 80s, all 380s above target. Oh my God.
Fantastic.
That time also I'm shivering. I was not able to hold the paper.
Right. So now that's the right time to see this certificate, right?
Yes.
So all this happened for this beautiful certificate. So now tell me, how many days or weeks before you thought that you're going to get this? You,
Mm,
you had a dream of it at one
yes.
month before, no?
Yes. Not 1 month, Shriram. When I started, reading the book, that time also, no. I have to clear the PMP at any cost. And I took time, Shiram, because I don't want only the clearing the exam. I want the quality in me. I should have been very clear about the knowledge area. What is resource manager? If someone will ask me, I'm PMP certified, but I don't know anything. I'm not able to able to clear the doubts of other person. Then there is no use of that. So I want the quality in me. Like, if Shivani will be is a PMP, then how she will handle all those things, how she will handle all the situation as a management. So this thing always in my mind. I not the sake of certification only.
That makes sense actually, because certificate is one portion of it, right? You cannot tell that only certificate will make you a great person.
Yes.
How do you implement it is very important. That
Yes,
too, you
yes.
being in PMO role, day in, day out, you're daily talking with the people like project managers and program managers, very much
Yes.
needed. So happy. I'm happy to hear your full story. It looks pretty interesting, thrilling, right? And finally, the certificate came up. Now, how much credit do you want to give to your family?
My God, full support, Shriram. Even what, after I came in my house and I entered, my daughter first came. She came, Mama, from tomorrow onward we will go to the park, because she missed everything. Shriram, I was not able to able to like, no beta, today we can't do, because I'm doing the 10 question what Rahul has posted.
Right.
I'm not able to
I
tell
think
you the
I
story,
think your
bedtime stories.
I think your family will hate the core name of Rahul and Sriram. These guys
So
spoiled it.
everyone knows, Shiram, you know what, when I joined your classes, so she was always with me for 15-10 minutes. She was and in between also, Mama, are you able to, you are writing something? Your sir is telling you something, right? So are you able to writing? Or you want some extra pen or something? So she was helping me a lot. Even I used her notepad. Sometimes like, no, Mama, this is my, I need this time. So I said, no, beta, after my classes, I'll give you back.
That's good. I know the family support is very important,
Yes, yes.
because this can't be done individually.
No, yeah, 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 yeah.
At home, doing work from home, definitely you have a lot of support from family.
Yes, yes,
Super.
yes, yes.
Great. Nice to know that. And the dream has been achieved now. The next target would be is applying this. As I
Yes,
would have said earlier, now you should start looking into leadership path and applying what you learned. I believe you would have
definitely.
started already, because it's not about after a certificate you apply. While you learn itself, as you rightly said, stakeholder management or resource management, or talk about how the costing and timing management
Correct.
works. If you even talk this language with your managers, they'll feel little connected and they feel more impressed, right? That's important. Fantastic.
Definitely. Yep.
Did you publish your certificate in your office?
Not yet, Shriram, because in last week, I was not able to, because in I took after, I think, on December month I took leave. Okay, after that I have not taken any single leave in my office.
Right.
So in 5 days I thought, okay, I don't know where I am, because PMP in your mind, all the questions in your mind and everything, and you are also missing your books. So I need some time to settle down in my office back, because few things I were doing is few things I'm just avoiding these days.
Got it.
So
Got it. Okay. But one quick ask, maybe I missed out. In the exam, do you have any math question?
only two questions I found, Shiram. And first of yeah, I want to tell all, like, in maths I was very bad. Okay, so I ask you separate times, Shiram, what should I do? Because if I find any questions related to the math, I just run away. I don't want to attempt this. I don't want to waste my time over this. Then my husband actually supported me in that, Shiram. Costing and everything, the formulas and everything.
Uh-huh.
He was sitting with me for a daily 1 hour. Okay, and he was yeah, tell me the formula, and why the BAC, why the EAC because that graph is showing on the PIMBOK, right? So he was asking me, what is EAC, why you want EAC, what is EAC, tell me that. Because the you can't cram the such things, right? You have to understand the concept. But I have a fear of math, so I was just simply ran away. No,
So
I don't want to do that.
you made him to learn PMP, huh?
Yes. Even he started saying, okay, I will clear the exam. I know.
That's good. So two math came. That also very
Yeah.
simple.
Yeah, very simple. I attempted. I know those questions were correct only.
Perfect.
Very
Then
simple. Yeah,
that
yeah.
is good. Superb. Nice. Now give some tips for the people like you who are in job, who could be a mom having a kid, feeling that it's tough. I know I'm getting many people call, hey, I have a little baby at home. Can I go for it? I would give reference to many people telling, hey, I have people who cleared it. But again, it's not easy
Yes.
because you have to take care of the family things and move forward. So what kind of tips from you on the preparation side?
So Shriram, what I can say, like, if you are focused, like PMP, don't I have not written anywhere, okay? So, but always in my mind,
Fine.
PMP, I have to be, PMP certified person on the month of August.
Mhm.
Always, I have not written over here somewhere or password or something, but yeah, always I was very clear. I
Mhm.
was focused on my books only. I have confident, like I know everything. Okay, if you are when you are started reading that time, I know it's very difficult to connect all those things, but slowly you will starting moving. Then you will definitely everything will be going in your head. How things are
Perfect.
connected. Yeah.
Perfect. So ideally,
So
you mean that set a goal, right? Clear goal.
yes,
Okay,
clear goal. Yes, yes. Then
good.
everything, everything will be perfect for you. If you know you will be certified on this and this date or month, then everything will be adjust. I
Nice.
can say
Nice.
yes.
Good. Good for that motivational message. So, take away from your interview is you read PMBOK 6th edition and you were able to understand the language. If some problem there, you were able to research and understand that.
Yeah.
And you took few exams like in Street Learning and Study Hall. Even
Yes.
though Study Hall language is tough, you were able to score a decent score there already. And the main exams you went to center based, because
Yes.
center based always neat and clean and good.
Good. Yeah.
Time management was good. Maybe the last slot was pretty tough, but still you were able to complete 9 minutes before the exam, right? So, and you got above target in all the area. Great.
Yes. Yes.
Superb. Now the Wells Fargo, you'll be the top star. Good. Happy to know for your success. Thanks a lot, Shivani, for coming up here and giving this open interview about how things went on. Because giving back is very important. It may look like a small information from our side, but the person who's listening this
Yes.
person may be suffering with some side
Yes.
of not getting a detail. That small detail will change, trigger
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. It
Right?
helped. Yeah. Yeah. It helped. Yes.
That's the reason we give the success story, and I'm so thankful to you for coming up and giving the success story.
I was also, Shriram, I was mostly watching the success story of the moms because I am a mom. I was, how she will manage because she also having a kid, how she will manage all those things with office, husband, home, and some house chores also there. So how she is managing, I just always curious to know about that part.
I
How things.
specifically asked that question. That's why being a mom, having a family, how you manage. Because
Yes, yes,
see now, the world, as I keep talking about the class as knowledge workers. It's not about men or women. We need more leaders in the market.
yes,
If that's the case, somebody has to balance places.
yes,
I
yes,
talk to any mom here. Definitely, their in-laws or husband would have helped a lot,
yes.
right? It's a give back. Again, one day I come back. This guy comes to my classes, and my wife is helping me. See, we are moving to a very friendly relationship where they help each other. It's not about men or women. It's all about who can help each other.
Yeah, their support is incredible.
Very
Seriously,
important.
when
Very
I
important.
was when I was attending your classes that time, also my daughter and my husband took her from outside for the park and everything.
Right.
Because so that I can concentrate on your classes. Otherwise, I was little bit distracted from this and that thing. And she
Right.
was also coming in, Mama, you want, I want this, I want that. So this kind of thing, distraction will be there. So to avoid those things, he always helped me.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Nice, nice to know. Nice to know. So now we have to give him party for this wonderful achievement and support. Right.
Yeah.
Great. Once again, thanks a lot. All the viewers, definitely you all enjoyed this video. She was talking about how the journey went on. And again, PMO role is a very crucial role, and the PMO role interacts with many roles in the corporate. So now learning leadership and learning management going to help her to upskill herself. So let's give her likes and comments and wishes to her for wonderful success, and wishes to all the viewers also who are viewing here to for your great success. Once again, Thanks, Shivani, for coming up here.
Thank you, Shriram.
Keep winning more in your career.
Thank you so much for all your guidance. And seriously, if you're not there, then I even I can't thought about this thing. You believe I always in last 60 questions also, Shriram, I was thinking about you. Okay, Shriram said like you will clear, then I will clear. Okay, you believed in me. That's why I'm able to, complete the 60 question in 49 minutes. Miracle happened actually for me.
Actually, you did it in 40 minutes and 9 minutes.
Yes.
Usually the last questions, the acceleration goes high. You
Yes.
actually rightly said, we understood the ground now. So we know how the ball will come, how to play the game, right?
Yes, it will be fast or slow.
That's why the first 60 questions, we need 90 minutes because it's
Yes.
very new ground.
New ground, yes.
First 15 questions will be like, is it right or wrong, right or wrong?
Yes, yes. Even you don't know this question will be right or wrong. You don't know. That is also in your mind will be going. Yeah.
Nice. So now look at the way you are above target in all. It means a good top score, which says that you are well qualified in leadership knowledge, right? That's very important. So you are a top professional in project management. Keep rocking, keep winning more. Good wishes.
Thank you. Bye bye.